Now we'll see the exercise 1.3. In 1.3 first sum, solve the following system of linear equations by inversion method. Already we have seen the inversion method. Inversion method means first we have to write the given linear equations in matrix form. Then we have to find the value of the x and y. Okay, see here we have 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 2, x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. The matrix form of the system is Ax is equal to b, x is equal to A inverse b. So first we have to find A inverse. As usual in first 1.1 exercise what we already have seen this finding the A inverse in exercise 1.1, isn't it? The same method here I am going to follow. First I want to find A inverse. What is that A inverse? 1 by determinant of A into adj. In this, what is the determinant of A value? See, first we have to write this where A is equal to, we have to write in matrix form 2, 5, 1, 2. X is equal to, here they have given x, y. So x, y. B is equal to minus 2, minus 3. B is equal to minus 2, minus 3. For this matrix, we have to find the determinant of A. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 into 5, 5. Minus 1 not equal to 0. So the given matrix is a non-singular. A inverse exists. Okay. Then you have to find adj A. By 2 by 2 matrix means we have to find the adj A, means we have to transform the entries of the diagonal matrix. The same as it is we have to write. Then sign of the subdiagonal. Okay. Now I am going to write A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A minus 1, 2 minus 5 minus 1, 2. See, I am going to multiply this minus within the bracket, minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. Okay, we found A inverse. X is equal to A inverse B. What is that A? Minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. What is that B? Minus 2, minus 3. Here I am going to multiply usual matrix multiplication, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 minus 15 minus 2 plus 6 minus 11 plus 4. We found the solution for x. The x value is minus 11, y value is 4. Suppose if it is, we have to check whether it is right or wrong. You just substitute these values in this equation, any one equation, verification. Two x plus 5y is equal to minus 2. 2 into minus 11 plus 5 into 4 is equal to minus 2. Minus 22 plus 20 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So, what we found the solution of x and y is correct. Okay. Next we move to second option. Second subdivision, we have 2x minus y is equal to 8. 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 2. First we have to write the given linear equation into matrix form. So, the matrix form of the system is Ax is equal to B, where A is equal to 2 minus 1, 3 into 2, B 8 minus 2, x value is x comma x y. Why? Because they are given here x y. So, we have taken x is equal to xy. First, x is equal to A inverse B. We have to find A inverse. A inverse means before that we have to find the determinant value. 2 into 2 4 minus into minus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, not equal to 0. So A is non-singular and exists. A is non-singular and exists. Then at G A we have to find. 2 by 2 matrix means you have to interchange this main diagonal and the signs change should be there in subdiagonal. Now A inverse is equal to 1 by 7, 2, 1, 3, 2. This is the A inverse. Okay. Here, what is the A inverse? We found the thing we have to write here into B, x minus 2. Here x 1 by 7, usual multiplication, 8 2s are 16, minus 2, 8 3s are 24, minus 4. 8 3s are 24, minus 4. 14, 8 minus 2. 2, 1. See here symbol should be minus. 8 4s are minus 4. No. Minus 28. 1 by 7, 14 minus 28. So inside if you are going to multiply this 1 by 7, 14 by 7 minus 28 by 7. 2 minus 4. Just to verify this, whether the answer is right or wrong. X minus y is equal to 8. 2 into 2 minus 4 in minus of minus 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 2 4 minus into minus plus 4 is equal to 8. So the answer is correct. For x what we have found, the value of the x is 2. Here xy, the solution is the solution. So the solution of x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 4. Secondly, third subdivision, 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 9, x plus y plus z equal to 9, 3x minus y minus z equal to minus 1 they have given as a linear equation. First we have to write the given linear equation into matrix form, where A is equal to 2, 3 minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 3 minus 1 minus 1. Here x we have 3x, y, z, so the x is x, y, z, b is equal to 9, 9 minus 1. What is the matrix form of the system is Ax is equal to b, so x is equal to A inverse b. First we have to find A inverse. To finding the A inverse, we have to find determinant of A. 2 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 1 into minus 1, minus 3. 2 into 0, minus 3 into minus 4, minus 4. What is this? Minus, this is 0, minus into plus 12, here minus into minus plus 4 is equal to 16, not equal to 0. A is non-singular. and exist. So we have to find A inverse, means we need the determinant value of A and at G. At G we have to find. Before that I am going to find Aij. See, for this 1 into minus 1 minus 1, this one is plus 1. For this term element, for this element minus 1 minus 3. For this minus 1 minus 3. Next row, first column, minus 3 into minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 minus this minus into minus plus it will come. For this element, see, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. Here minus 2 minus 9. For this third row, first element, 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 2 minus 3. What is this value? Aij is equal to 0 minus 4 into minus plus 4 minus 4 minus 4 into minus plus 4 1 minus 11 into minus plus 11 4 minus 3 minus 1. We got the value of Aij. 0 4 minus 4 4 1 11 4 minus 3 minus 1. Now I am going to write at GA. We want to write at GA means we have to transpose this row into column. Then this row. Then third row. Now I am going to apply in this 1 divided by, what is that? 16 into at GA, what is that? 0 4 4 4 1 minus 3 minus 4 11 minus 1 into B we have to write now. What is that? 9 9 minus 1. Now usual matrix multiplication. I am going to multiply this row by this column. 0 into 9 0 plus 9 into 4 36 minus 4. 4 into 9 36 plus 9 plus 3 minus 36 plus 99 plus 1. 1 by 16 32. Listen, 45 48 100 minus 36 64. Suppose if we are going to multiply this 1 by 16 inside the bracket, we get 2 3 minus 4. Just to verify whether it is right or wrong. Just to take any one. 3x minus y minus z equal to minus 1. 3 into 2 minus 3 minus into minus 4 is equal to minus 1. 3 into 2 6 minus 3 minus into minus plus 4 is equal to minus 1. Ten minus 3 7. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. 3x minus y minus z. 3 into 2 6 minus 3. But we just this first equation, it is correct. 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 9. Instead of x 2 plus instead of y 3 minus into minus plus 4. Sorry, here plus it will come. Plus 4. 3x minus y minus z equal to minus 1. See, we have to do carefully while we are putting sign. 2 into 3 minus 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So, we found the answer is correct. The solution of x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 4. Okay. Now fourth subdivision, x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. 6x minus 4y plus 5z minus 31 equal to 0. 5x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 13. First we can change these two terms. X plus y plus z is equal to 2. 6x minus 4y plus 5z equal to 13. First we have to write the given linear equation into matrix form, where A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 6 minus 4, 5, 5, 2, 2. X is equal to, here we have x, y, z. Then B is equal to 2, 31, 30. So what is the matrix form of the given system is x is equal, Ax is equal to B, x is equal to A inverse B. So we have to find A inverse first. Before that I am going to find the value of, determinant value of A. 1 into minus 8 minus 25. Sorry, 5 into 10. Minus 1 into 6 2s are 12. Minus 25 plus 1 into 6 2s are 12 plus 20. Minus 18 minus, here minus 13, minus into minus plus 13 plus 32. Minus 18 plus 45 is equal to 27. A determinant of A is equal to 27, not equal to 0. So A inverse, A is a non-singular and A inverse exists. A inverse exists. We have to find GA. Before that we can Aij, find Aij for this first element in first row and first column. Minus 8 minus 10 minus 12 minus 25. For this 12 plus 20. Then second row first column this element 2 minus 2. For this 4 2 minus 5. For this 5 2 minus 5. For this entry 5 plus 4, 5 minus 6, minus 4 minus 6. Minus 18, minus into minus plus 13, 32, 0, minus 3, minus 3 into 3 plus 3, 9, minus 1 into minus plus 1, minus 10. Say minus 18, 13, 32, 0, minus 3, 3, 9, 1, minus 10 at GA. I am going to interchange this row into column. Second row. Then this row. Now I am going to substitute this A inverse value. X is equal to, what is that A inverse? 1 divided by 27 into RGA minus 18, 0, 9, 13, minus 3, 1, 32, 3, minus 10 into B. What is that B? 2, 31, 13. 2, 31, 13. Now normal multiplication. Matrix multiplication. This first row and first column. Minus 36, 0 plus 13 into 9. Then second row first column 26 minus 93 plus 13. This 64 plus 93 minus 130. 1 by 27. What is that? 117 minus 36 means 181. Here 80. See 93. 39. 93. 39. Subtract பண்ணணுமா? 4. 54. Then 93 plus 67. 64. 27. Suppose if we are going to multiply this 1 by 27, we get the value of x, y, z is equal to 3, 2, 1. You just apply these values in any one equation. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 minus 2 is a. See here that this big number symbol is minus 2, minus 2. Now it is correct. 3 minus 2, here 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is equal to 2. Just to do that verification. 3 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. So the answer is correct for what we found of x, y, z. Thank you.